Welcome back with another YouTube video. This time we gonna know how you can recording your screen without any software and online. Be cool to subscribe. The tips is so easy, all you can do, enter this website, you will find the link on description below. Then follow my instructions. After opening the website, he give you 3 choices. Recording only webcam, or screen with webcam, and our choice will be recording only screen. The next window about if you want recording all screen or only a size of it. After making your choice, click the red button and yeah, that start recording what you doing. Of course the developer of website give you possibility to minimize the browser and keep record turn on. After minimizing the browser, a tab show up, if you want stop recording, and of course you can stop it from browser. The website work on Linux like the same on Windows, I try it of course. So finally, move your mouse to this red button and click subscribe, if you not you will miss so much things on future. And I accept all kind of comments.